is still in effect. The tornado warning for north.
The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Logan County until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Russell Springs, Oregon, 13 miles west of Scott State Lake, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southern Logan County. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Logan, Kansas,